honey, to sit down and put, I don't know if you can tell how big these pictures are. They are huge. Like, both of these are really huge. Let me measure them because I don't know how big they are, but I'll measure them for you. This, it is, 59.5 by 39.5. So they're 59.5 up ways and then 39.5 that way. So they're huge. Okay, and I just wanted something to really, take up this wall space right here, and go up and down this way so that it does not match the TV, which is right beside it. And then a bench so that my guests could sit down, put their shoes off and on. And then baskets. These baskets did not come with this bench, but I added them. I fit them to match right on top. And then you can put your shoes down in there, easy access. And then I just added the two pillows to just, bring some textile over there. So the bench is a Tommy Hilfiger bench, and it was like $129, I think. And then the little baskets were, the two on the ends were $5.99, and then the middle one was $9.99. And the two on the end don't even match, but they were the only two that would fit right in there. I'm just loving how convenient this is going to be now for people coming in from the door here to just sit down, take your shoes off under there. I have those two benches underneath the console table or entryway table, which don't take up no space because they're tucked away underneath. So this is perfect. I just have to find something cute to sit on this table. Oh my God, when I saw this lamp, I had two other ones. And I was like, I don't really know how I feel about those. But this one was just kind of tucked away. I believe somebody may have hid it to try to come back for it. Too bad, sis, if you did. Absolutely beautiful. Got a little table right here so you can put something on it. You can sit right here and read if you wanted to. Take yourself from the TV. I am loving my little entryway. I'm loving that. Oh my God, that's so cute. So right beside it over here, you have the TV. But I'm loving how this is looking. Oh my God, I love. How cute is this? Can you see the size of these pictures right here, sis? So now that I have more gold going on and my gold lamp, right here behind you is perfect. Like, I can leave that now. I don't really feel so bad about this now because it all just ties together. Oh my God. Now those pictures were only $100 a piece, which is crazy because that picture was $100 and it's nowhere near the size of these with the frames on them. You could totally DIY this if you're artsy, but I don't have time for DIYs, honey. I'm loving that. Loving. Okay, she's excited about her new. I keep sitting down because I love it. Put your shoes on, honey. Put your shoes in the basket when you take them off. Put your drink right here till we're ready to go. Like, oh my God. Look at. So this big one right here, I am about to hang this. Sorry. I'm about to hang this one right here in the guest bedroom on that wall right there. That's where she's going. Right there. And let me see real quick. Okay. Oh my God, this is huge. Okay. So I'm gonna hang it. This thing is, it is really big. I'm gonna put it right up here. So I'm gonna say about 12. I'm gonna show you how I don't use and I don't have one either. The like laser pointer. This is how I hang everything in my house with a tape measure. Okay. So I'm just gonna measure where I want. I already know I want it to be 12 inches. Actually, well, like 10. So I'm going to do it at 10 inches from the ceiling. It's a big picture, but it's not a heavy picture. So I'm just using regular nails here. Ooh, how pretty! It just totally goes with this room. Oh my God, it looks so much better in there. I love it. Okay, back in here to the part I really, really love. Okay. I know I keep sitting y'all right here. This is going to be a cute little backdrop, too. Okay. Cute backdrop for recording the videos. I think that's a cute little backdrop. Let me show y'all what I mean. You know how YouTubers have cute backdrops? Let me show you mine. Hold up. Okay, I'm going to bring you closer for 10 light. We're going to pretend. Let me see. Now, is that not a cute backdrop, sis? Hey family, welcome back to your channel. So today's video is going to be a decorate with Sharon. So extra. I need a pop of pink. Y'all know I love my pinks and my white flowers. So I'm going to put something cutesy on this lamp. Now I have white. Let me turn this one off so you can see. And I'm going to turn the one behind you off to make it cozy. Ooh. Yes, now that area has light in it. Now I don't feel like the light is just only balanced over there. It's kind of around the room. Welcome back, you guys. Cute pillows. So the gray pillow right here was $19.99, and I think the white one was the same price. $19.99 for both of those. $99.99. 100 and something, I don't remember. And then that was what, 100 and, let's say 29. Sis, you better go get you one of these lamps, girl. $129.99. Dual purpose. See, this is how you have to do when you live in a small spot. You make it a dual purpose area. This is serving several purposes. Sit down, take your shoes off, put your shoes on, put your shoes away. Now I don't have to worry about clutter in my foyer area. Also, it provides extra seating when I'm entertaining. Somebody could be sitting over here, right there, and on those two little situations. And then my light source. So now I don't have to worry about the bigger overhead lights when I don't want it super, super bright. You turn those on, and then the lamps dispense the light around the room very romantically. This is giving me grown and sexy vibes. Grown and sexy, honey. Look at that gold. Ooh, I love gold. I love gold and silver, but I really love that. So I want some pink over here because I love, this color pink. Like the orchid right here. Can you see that? I feel like some pink over here would be, oh, so cute. I gotta find some pink flowers. Or I might make some. Who knows? Let me show you something. Hold up. Let's try something. Hold on. I actually like those right there. Because I have pink, white, pink, white. Oh! I'll put those there and then find some other ones for the guest bedroom. But it needs something else over there. There's a freaking fly in here, you stupid. We're filming. Leave us alone. Sis, I'm loving my whole new little setup right here. Just find me sitting right here, okay? Because I'm loving this whole vibe right here. This whole situation is giving me ooh-wees. What do you think? You like? I don't care if you like it or not, but do you like it, brother, sister? Okay, if you don't, that's fine. But I love it. I just need something else, something smaller on there, like a little, something. I'm not sure what, but it needs something. Or it may just stay like that. I'm kind of on this less is more kick, but this whole little living room, this is a living room by itself right here. This is a whole living room right here. I'm in love. Okay, I gotta go, y'all, because I gotta record another video. I hope you enjoyed our decorate with me, Sharon style. Let me bring you back so we can get another good look, sis. This is a not sponsored video per Home Goods, but I'm a Home Goods lover of all things Home Goods anyway. They never do me dirty. So let me tell y'all, I remember I told y'all I was going to go with, this was plan B and A counter because my original plan A didn't work, which was basically what plan B is. And that was, I wanted another one of the pictures that I just hung in the guest bedroom. They had two, just like they had two of these. When I went back the next day to get another one that I just hung in there to do this same thing with here, it was gone. So then that killed that idea with a vase and the whole, remember I gave you the whole, Lucy is like, girl, it's too much. She don't know where to focus. Hold up. She don't know what is happening here, honey. Okay, so that's what the plan A was. Two of those, but the one in there, and then a vase. And I wasn't thinking seating, but I knew I wanted seating and needed it. So when I decided to swap things around because they didn't have the second picture, and I went with this look, I'm still getting my two big pictures to take up a lot of that wall space. And the vertical, is it vertical up and down this way? Okay, well this way right here is a horizontal. I don't know. And then the bench for my, and I didn't want a bench that was super long because I didn't want it to be like, you know what I'm saying, too much of the wall gone by the bench because it's just only for when people come in and go or whatever to get their shoes on and off and to keep them out of my foyer area. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything else is how I want it. Like, I'm good now. I'm good now. So, that's that. And that's just what it looks like per the TV. Now, I'm going to move that basket right here. I actually had it in... Okay, fam. So, I'm going to go ahead and go because the phone keeps ringing and I can't get the outro done. I'm going to go ahead and end the video right here. That's my little setup right there. Hope you enjoyed. I don't think we've ever done one like this kind of sort of. I don't know. But we did a part of a room and a part of a room. Part of an area and then a wall. So I'm going to go ahead and go because I need to film my nighttime routine and my fall essentials video. I need to film that for you guys. I got some really cute stuff to bring you into the fall spirit, the holiday spirit, the fall spirit, just the spirit of the spirit. Okay. I love you guys. To the morning back. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.